Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is Odong Poultry Farm. We deal in layers, broilers. We do also have local birds. Me at my farm, I use local herbs. Yeah, I use herbs. I use garlic. I use ginger. I use turmeric, cayenne pepper, and many others. But these herbs work so well in the birds, so that you make organic eggs, you make organic meat that does not have chemicals. You can ferment them if you want, or you can give them fresh. You blend and you give them, you add into their drinking water. I hope you see how the birds are doing good. Yeah, the birds are doing good. We are in our week 6. We are in the 6th week, but we are doing so great. We are lively, you know. So I urge everyone to begin using the herbs. Yes, I see there are other people who tell people that you cannot use herbs in these layers, but I'm a living example. This is what I use. But I do vaccinate my birds. I vaccinate them and I use the herbs for treating them. But you can prevent. You prevent before the disease come. Yes, you prevent before the disease come.